How to invest in silver. When you picture silver investment, most likely you picture coins, but that's only one of the many ways to invest in precious metal. In fact, there are two main ways to invest in gold. One is to buy precious metal coins from reputable dealers, the other is by way of gold bullion. You can buy pure silver coins on the internet at discounted rates, ranging from about $17 for pure silver, American Eagle coins to just under $200 for silver-proof coins. Silver bullion comes in both bar and coin form. The latter may be more economical if you plan on using the bullion to make investments for a longer period of time, as coins tend to appreciate in value over time while bullion tends to depreciate, particularly if it is stored in an environment where temperatures remain stable. If you buy silver and gold bullion for future profits and to store for a longer period of time, however, you'll be much better off investing in pure silver coins or gold bullion. Pure silver coins are priced much higher than silver bars due to the larger quantity and the higher quality. Another advantage of investing in precious metal coins is that they have never lost their value. With other types of investment money, the value of the money itself can depreciate due to inflation, which means that your investment has no value if it loses its value. Because precious metal coins don't depreciate in value, they're easy to hold and sell over time. This makes them ideal investments for those who want to diversify their portfolios and are willing to take the risks associated with investing in gold. When it comes to investing in precious metals, you must take some steps to protect yourself when buying silver. For instance, do not forget that although the price of gold and silver is relatively stable, they're quite expensive in comparison to other financial investments. Because pure silver and gold do not depreciate in value, there is not a huge market for investors to buy and sell on a regular basis. Therefore, buying pure silver and gold is usually done on a limited basis when it comes to making investments. However, there are an active silver and gold spot market where buyers and sellers meet and deal in order to purchase and sell the precious metals. Investing in precious metals does require some research and knowledge of the prices of the metals, so you need to understand what the price of each particular coin is going to be before you invest in it. There are always a few things to consider in purchasing gold or silver because gold bullions tend to lose their value after a period of time, and you don't want to buy an expensive piece only to have the price decrease suddenly, because then you'll end up paying too much for it. As with any other kind of investment, it's best to do a bit of homework to determine how much you should invest and how much you're willing to lose. One way you can research is to read an article like this, which will tell you how to invest in gold and silver. This article contains many interesting facts about the gold and silver market. Although valuable metals such as silver and gold do depreciate in value, there is a silver spot market as well, which can give you an opportunity to make money from silver. This market is similar to the gold spot market, except instead of just buying and selling gold, you buy and sell silver instead. This market will work in the same way. One last way you can research and learn about how to invest in silver is to visit one of the online websites that specialize in the information about investing in precious metals. If you want to learn about investing in gold and silver, then this is a great place to start. Not only will you find information about the prices of gold and silver, but also about the best places to buy them. Once you learn more about the precious metals, you'll probably want to invest your money into more than just one of them. If you find yourself interested in buying rare and valuable coins, then another good place to look is to buy precious metal coins on eBay. Or, if you are really lucky, you might even invest in precious metal bars, which can hold the same amount of money you bought your initial investment in coins. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about wealth building and investing.